Curfew was imposed in parts of downtown Srinagar on Friday to prevent protests and rallies after Friday prayers. Reports said that police vans announced curfew early morning today. Meanwhile, authorities disallowed Friday prayers at the Jamia Masjid for 6th consecutive week. All gates of Jamia Masjid were locked by security forces, while all roads leading to the historic mosque were blocked with concertina wires. Hurriyat chairman Mirwais Umar Farooq, who addresses the faithful every Friday, continues to remain under house detention. Pertinently, Joint Resistance leadership has called for peaceful protests after Friday prayers today against the ruling of a military court in Mutsilfak encounter case and prosecution of resistance groups by the government. Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar.
This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 019424685002468501. Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.